Okay.
Do you know anything about the bike called Jameis?
Yeah, I got a Jameis.
You like it?
Yeah, it's all right. They're all these bikes are made in the same place, China, you know. Trust me, it's just a private labels manufacturer in China, and all they do is put the different brands on the bicycle.
Oh, that's an interesting bit of information for
Yeah,
me.
that's why people are like, is this bike better? I'm like, they're all the same. It's the same thing. Same thing.
So the thing to look for is not the brand, but the price.
Yeah, just what components they put on the bike. That's the thing to look for. That kind of really dictates the price. I mean, the name is like part of the price. Like Apple's expensive.
Yeah.
Everybody buys Apple because it's Apple. Everybody's Nike
Well,
because
I was wondering if Jameis was kind of like that. It's an off-brand, but not
it,
really.
somewhat, because it kind of they're not that well known as they used to be.
Yeah.
Back in the.
I just found them last night because this bike's always been a little bit big for me.
Yeah.
And so I'm thinking maybe if I'm going to stay riding, which I want to do, maybe I should get if this one's going to be throwing me down, maybe it's time to get
Yeah, that's an option.
a smaller frame.
Yeah. Okay, so this wheel, I don't think is that out of true. And okay, now this wheel is cool, but I'm gonna put some new brake pads on it.